Next we will be going for optimum. In optimal algorithm we always see future, what can come ahead. So going with the optimal algorithm, let's see. We have a miss 2, miss 2 0, miss 2 0 3, hit 2 0 3, miss 2 0 3 4, enters, hit 2 0 3 4, hit 2 0 3 4, hit 2 0 3 4, hit 2 0 3 4. So 2 0 3 4, hit again. Now finally 2 0 3 4, miss. Now as we explained earlier, see ahead. From 7 we have 2 0, so 2 is not going to be removed, 0 definitely not, 7 is already, 5 we don't have, 0 5 7 5. So in the entire series 2 options we have, 3 and 4 they are not going to be removed, 3 and 4 they are not going to be removed. So if you combine with least recently used with this, 4 can be removed. So choice is yours, whether you remove 3 or 4, you can just make any choices, they are still valid. If you follow least recently used combined with optimum, which is generally done, then in this case 3 will be removed, 4 will be removed in this case. So I am following that. We'll cut and put 7 over here. So working with it, next 2 0 3 7, hit. Next 2 0 3 7, hit. 2 0 3 7, hit. 2 0 3 7, miss. Now we don't have 5 in this. Let's see, with reference to 5, moving ahead, see what we have. We have 0, we are not going to remove. 7 we have, not going to remove. 0 7, so what is left is 2 and 3, anything can be removed. If we talk about least recently used, 2 was used recently, but 3 was not very commonly used for a long time. In this case I'll remove 3 and put 5 and its location. Going further, so we have 2 0 5 7, hit. 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 So in optimum, hit versus miss, we have hits of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, and what is miss is 6. So yes, there is a difference coming out to be. So with 4, this is what we are doing, P4. So that's it guys, this is what we have as the answer. Question as such says in percentages, one can calculate amount of percentages. In both cases optimum would give you the best answer. Thank you.